Okay, today I am unboxing Herpa model. I'm not sure you can see this. 572088 Goldhofer AST-2 Airport Tractor. It's a 1/200 scale. Basically, it's a plastic model of an airport tow tractor. A little bit hard to see actually. So you can see it doesn't have any working parts, and in real life the front wheel of the plane will go in here, and then what it'll do is it'll close up and clamp it. Unlike, it doesn't need a tow bar like the old traditional one. It's just a static model. Static meaning it doesn't do anything. It's like literally just plastic, but it's pretty detailed for the price. It is about 20, I would say low 20s, and it does look pretty good on a 1/200 scale, next to the 1/200 scale planes. This is my 1/200 scale diorama, airport diorama. As you can see, it's only pretty much a apron parking area. Can't really see. It is next to the Gemini 1/200 scale tractor.